Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing summer special black grape mocktail. Let's begin with black grape syrup for the mocktail. To a pressure cooker, add 2 cups cleaned black grapes with seed. Then add 1 cup water. Cover it with a lid and pressure cook them on high flame until 3 whistles. Then turn off the flame. Once the pressure is completely gone, remove the whistle, open the lid and check on the grapes. The grapes are perfectly cooked. Now transfer them to a saucepan, passing through a sieve. Gently press and extract the pulp completely. The pulp is extracted completely. Now place the saucepan on medium heat. Add 3/4 cup sugar. Mix it well until the sugar is completely dissolved. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, boil the syrup for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Now reduce the flame and discard the froth that is being formed on the edges. Continue to simmer the syrup for 5 more minutes on medium flame. Then turn off the flame and allow the syrup to cool completely. Once cool, transfer the syrup to a glass jar and can store in refrigerator for at least 6 months. Now for the mocktail, to a serving glass, add 4 to 5 tablespoons cooled black grape syrup, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 8 to 10 mint leaves. Give them a good mix. Then add few ice cubes. Here I have added soda. You can also add Sprite for extra sweetness. Give them a mix. Garnish with a lemon slice and serve it immediately. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.